Hi guys, today we'll draw a gladiolus, the birth flower for the month of August. We will be using their Ohuhu markers. G471 mint green, B290 sky blue, B281 pale blue violet, B289 pastel blue. First, let's sketch. I like to make the flower stalk to curve almost like this line. Next is draw circles that represents the flowers. Then lines for the leaves. Erase the pencil lines lightly, and repeat as needed. I'm using a colored pen to trace the outline of the flower here, and add some details as we go.
Let your friends know you enjoyed watching by sharing this video.
After we've finished the outline, we'll color the flowers in with B281 pale blue violet. Just near the outer edges of the petal. Then, we'll use a white gel pen to draw line strokes on top of our first layer of color. The line direction is from the outer edge to the inner side of the petal. We'll add another layer of color using the B281 pale blue violet. At the edge of the petal, more concentrated on the edge now. If you have any part of the outline that was covered by the white gel pen, we can retouch those places.
I also have an Instagram account. Follow me at doodles_flowers.
Then using our B289 pastel blue, we'll fill in the leaves and stem part of the drawing. In case you are interested in what marker set I am using, check out my Ohuhu markers swatching video, here's the link at the corner. I'll put one on the description box too. We'll add a layer of G471 mint green to our leaves and stem.
Sky blue B290.
Using the B290 Sky Blue, we'll add details to the stem and leaves.
Leaves.
Next is we'll use a white gel pen to draw another layer of details.
If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave a message in the comment section below.
Using the Sky Blue B290, we'll color in some more. Let's add more shading to the drawing using a WG170 Warm Gray 170. To the bottom of the petals in a stippling motion. Then in an upwards motion from the bottom, we'll use our BG04 to cool gray. Of course, we'll add white gel pen strokes on top of the grays. Using the BG04 to cool gray 042, we'll add some more shadows to the stem and leaves. A little bit of touch-up to the outlines. With a silver marker, let's draw a background shape. In this case, a long strip along the drawing. And here you have it, our August birth month flower in purple. Gladiolus. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, please click the like button, and I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. To keep you updated, ring the notification bell.